Hi friends, hope you are doing great. Today we are going to see about the demo Bigtable. So how to use the HBase shell to connect to a cloud Bigtable instance. We are going to perform basic administrative tasks and read and write data in a table. We are going to create a cloud Bigtable instance, connect to our instance, read and write data. So I have given the quick start lab instance description in the link I have given here. I have given the link. So I am opening the Cloud Console, Google Cloud Console, GCP console. Let me open the Google Cloud Platform console. Actually, this is my another account. So I am selecting my GCP account. So go to the navigation menu. So we have to click this. First we have to select our project. Just to open the project. Then we have to click the navigation menu. Under the database we have that Bigtable. Just click the Bigtable. Oh, it's loading now. Yes, we have to click create instance. So now we are going to name our instance. So I am giving the name as quick start instance. The instance name as quick start instance name. The instance ID it will come automatically. The quick start instance it came automatically, which is permanent. Just click continue now and select our storage type. So choice is permanent, applies to all clusters of its cost. HDD higher latency for random reads, good performance on scans and typically used for batch analytics such as machine learning or data mining. Then second one is SSD, lower latency and more rows read per second, typically used for real-time serving use cases such as ad serving and mobile app recommendations. So now I am selecting this SSD. Select configure our first cluster. A cluster handles application request for an instance. Select a cluster ID. Select we have to select a location, region and zone. So region I am selecting as I am going to select US East 1 as a region. US East 1 I am selecting. US East 1 I am selecting yes, and zone US East 1 C. Then allocation nodes 1. Now I am going to click create now. So nodes I am giving one only. So then it is creating now, instance is creating now, creating the instance. You can see it is loading now. Yeah, successfully instance has been created now. Quick start instance, node is one only, we have selected it. Then we are going to connect our instance. So we have to open that Cloud Shell. So we have to use the HBase shell with the Cloud Bigtable HBase client for Java. You must install a Java 8 runtime environment. Other versions of Java are not supported. Install and set up the Java 8 environment by running the following commands: sudo apt get update, sudo apt get install. Just click activate the Cloud Shell. So it is provisioning the Cloud Shell. Google Cloud Shell machine. It is provisioning our Google Cloud Shell machine. Now sudo apt get install, open jdk -8 -jdk -headless, export java _hope update alternatives list. So I am copying this command. Go to that console. Just I am going to enlarge it for your reference so that you can watch easily. So I have copied it, the command. I have copied this command, but I think we are getting some error. So what I am going to do means I am going to copy the command individually. First I will enter sudo apt-get update. Second I will put sudo apt-get install. Like that I am going to put the command, each and every command. Just copy this sudo apt-get update. Just go to that activate cloud shell. Just click here and enter the command sudo apt-get update. Now it's running now. So I am getting that visit cloud google.com. So connecting to the package now. So reading the package list. Okay, done. So now I am going to copy the second command. They have been ignored, hold on used instead. Okay, fine. So now I am going to copy the sudo apt-get install open jdk. So I am going to copy this command, second command, sudo apt-get install open jdk. So just we have to enter this command in cloud shell. So sudo apt-get install, I have entered the command. It's running now. The command will automatically proceed in 5 seconds or in any key. So reading package list, done. Yes, done. Now I am going to copy the final command, export java home update alternatives -- list java tail. Just copy this export command and enter here. Just enter it. Then we have to clone the repository that contains the HBase shell files. Then change to the directory. Okay, just I am okay, I have put clear. Now I have copied that git clone repository. So it is running, compressing objects, so resolving deltas. So now we have done the cd cloud bigtable also. Fine. So now I am going to start the HBase shell quickstart.sh. Now we are into that cloud bigtable example quick start. Now I am giving quick start.sh. I am running this one. I am running this shell. So sudo apt-get install. I am getting some warning message. So project ID, this is my project ID, instance ID. This is a quick start instance ID. This is scanning for the projects. It is scanning for the projects. Thanks a lot friends, it will be running. Okay, so in our next video we can see that. So you can watch the part 2 video also, cloud bigtable video. So before that we will see what we are going to do. Read and write data. So cloud bigtable stores data. Cloud bigtable stores data in the bigtable. Okay, so cloud bigtable stores data in a tables which contain rows. Each row is identified by row key. Data in a row is organized into a column families, which are groups of columns. A column qualifier identifies a single column with a column family. This can be a multiple timestamped versions of the value at the intersection of a row and column. Each version is referred to as a cell. First, create a table named myTable with one of column family named CF1. So create myTable and CF1, it is a column family. myTable, it's the table name. The cell displays output similar to the following, like that only. So still it is loading now. So second, we are going to list our tables. So just we have to put list. The shell displays output similar to the following. Then third, put the value test value in the row R1 using the column family CF1 and the column qualifier C1. So fourth, use the scan command to scan the table and read the data which we have added already. Scan my table. The cell displayed output is similar to the following. Then finally delete the table, my table, disable my table, drop my table. We have to do that. And type exit, press enter the exit and HBase. Okay, thanks a lot friends. It will take some time, so I will be uploading one more videos about this, so you can watch the part 3 video. Okay, so I have already uploaded part 1, part 2. This is part 2 video. I am going to upload part 3 video also, so you can watch that video also, so that you can understand. Thanks a lot friends, have a great day. If you have not subscribed my channel, please subscribe my channel. It will motivate me to upload more videos about the Google Cloud platform. Thanks a lot. Have a great day.